What's up guys, and welcome to this channel. Today I want to share a safe and amazing location spoofer to help you get access to PokeStop anywhere in the world without moving or walking outside. That sounds pretty crazy, right? Without talking too much, now let's begin. As many Pokemon Go trainers might know, PokeStops are the places that trainers can collect items like eggs, Pokeballs, candies, and more. With the help of these items, trainers can capture more Pokemon easier. But the problem is, PokeStop will be located at selected places, and it will only be activated if you're close enough. So here comes a question. Is there any way to interact with these PokeStops without walking and moving outside? The answer is definitely yes. Now, I will show you how to do it. First, what we're going to do is to install iMyFone NE2 on your computer and open it. Then connect your phone to the PC. After connected, select multi-spot mode, which is the second icon at the top right corner. Then, just pin locations to create your customized route. Finally, click the move button to simulate the route. See, you are moving on the game. By doing so, you can get access to PokeStops effortlessly at home. So what are you waiting for? Get iMyFone NE2 and enjoy Pokemon Go without too much effort now. If you like this video, please hit it with a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel to get more tips and tricks in time. If you have any questions about this video, feel free to leave a comment below in the video and I will get back to you guys as soon as I can. That's all for today. See you guys in the next video. Bye.